and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Thursday and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be talking about the things I tell my younger self, things that I probably heard and never listened to. If you're here for the first time and you're wondering who this is, my name is Nandum Sebi and I hope you're going to join us by subscribing. Thank you so much for clicking on the video and watching this. I hope you're going to watch till the end. Please do subscribe, join the family. It is absolutely free and you just click the red subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you do not miss any notification whenever I load a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. I really appreciate you guys. So yeah, let's get on today's video. So how this video came about, we actually started a new month on weekend and it was May, which happens to be my birthday month, and it just got me thinking, reflecting on a younger me because I am turning 29, and I just was thinking what happened to the time. I mean, I was just 21 now and I'm almost out of my 20s, so it got me thinking and reflecting on the things I wish I knew earlier, things I wish I would have implemented earlier in my life, because most of these things you hear or you know about them but you never implemented them, or you only started implementing them later in life. The first thing I would tell myself or my younger self is have the bravery and the wisdom to remove people who bring you down in life. Like puma gubo. Even if it's family, if it's friends, just have the wisdom to obviously be wise enough so that you don't hurt each other in the process, but don't stay even if you see that the relationship is not working. Which brings me to another point, is that friendships change and that is okay. Like you will outgrow the things you used to like. As you grow, you develop more interest, and it's okay if you don't relate with the people you used to. That's absolutely fine. Don't find yourself on a stress so which you want to stay longer in a friendship even if it doesn't serve you. So same as deleting people that put you down. Also, if a friendship is not working and you can see that it's not the same anymore, it's okay. And I feel like people come into our life for a certain reason and a season. So once that's done, whatever reason or season they came for, then they must go. Some friendships will be longer, some will be shorter. It doesn't mean for your friendship to end. It can end just because you guys are growing and developing new interests and you no longer relate. And then I'll also tell myself, start learning as much as you can about finances. It will help you later. A lot of mistakes that I did financially, debts and all that, I feel like it was because of the financial education that I ignored when I was younger. When you're young, you tend to think, I still have time. It's just I don't even have the money. So I'd say learn as much as you can. Learn to save. Learn everything that you can as young as you are, because when you are older and now you're working, so now you can apply all the knowledge that you've gathered. Don't wish your childhood away. Like, adulting is not child's play. It is nice and all, but when you grow up, you have a lot of responsibilities that you have to take care of, whether you are ready or not. Growing up forces you to take responsibilities and you're not as flexible anymore. So enjoy your stage. If you're young, a teenager, I would tell myself, enjoy it. Okay. God's rejection is actually God's protection. So don't worry when things don't go your way, because it simply means God is preparing you for something better and He's just protecting you from something. A lot of times when I got no's and I was rejected and things were not going my way, there was always a better plan. Don't follow all trends. Some of the trends are just not for you. They will not work. It's the same as seeing someone wearing a skinny jean. Let's say trends are a high waist jean. You'll never see me wearing that. There's nothing wrong with a high waist jean, but it's just not for me. So in life, you can't do everything. There's a verse actually that says all is permitted, but not all encourages growth. So there are things that you can do, they are there, you are allowed to do them, but they're just not helpful for you. They don't encourage growth. They are not for you. So don't follow all trends. I tell my younger self, Hore, read. Reading is so important. They say knowledge is power, and the other way of getting knowledge is by reading. You get so much knowledge. It helps your vocabulary. It develops you in so many ways. Another thing I tell my younger self is that listen to your adults or your parents more. You know what? I know sometimes when you're young and they're telling you something, you feel like they don't know what they're talking about, or you feel like they're not of this era. You know, it's not 19 manji. They don't know how things are done. But I've learned now that I'm a parent as well. Your parents know better. A lot of things that you go through now are things that your parents would have told you, you know. So I tell my younger self to listen more to my adults because they definitely know better. They might not be of this era and know the social media's nani, but they are very wise. There's so much wisdom that you can get from them. Umjolo, sex, marriage as balegi, they will come. Don't feel under pressure to go in relationships because people around you are getting married or banama serious relationships. Don't rush to go into relationships because you want to have sex. You will always find it. They will always be there. So just focus on bettering your life. Let those things find you busy in life. Don't feel under pressure in relationships at the wrong time. I wouldn't say there's a certain age to get married or to be in relationships at, but don't be pressured that you busy vele stress that you don't have a boyfriend, that you are rushing things because you want to have sex. No, guys, like they'll always be there. So don't rush. Rest our feet. Rest. Another thing I'll tell my younger self is that stop worrying about being perfect and just do things the way you want them done. And just don't be afraid of failure. You're going to fail a lot of times. It's okay. Just keep going. Fail and try again. Failure is actually a sign that you are doing something. So don't be afraid of failure. Guys, that's it for today's video. Those are some of the things I would tell my younger self. Of course, there's a lot. As we grow older, we learn more things, or we see more things that we should have listened to or learned earlier in life. So yeah, please comment in the comment section. Let me know what are the things that you feel you needed to learn earlier in life, or things that you wish you would have known earlier in life. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Please remember to subscribe. Remember to comment, remember to share, remember to like the video. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.